This is Leila Torres of origamispirit.com. We are going to be folding this bunny container, a creation of David Donahue. For more ideas, visit our related blog post at origamispirit.com. Also, check out our growing list of tutorials for origami containers. Using a square 8 by 8 inch or 20 by 20 centimeters makes the rabbit perfect to hold an egg of average size. We can use white paper on both sides, or we can use duo color paper. If we want the face of the rabbit to be white, we are going to start on the pink side, making the two diagonal folds. We turn the paper and we are going to make the fold at the center. At this point we pick up the paper and we push from these flaps and collapse it into this shape. This is called the preliminary base. There is this side that is open and this side that is folded. The open side points down. We are going to fold the paper so that this edge matches the center. Same here. And we are going to make a fold along this edge. We are going to fold it to the back first, and then we also fold to the front. Now we open and open this top layer, holding from here. And we're going to close these sides. We follow 16 folds. This is called a petal fold. We are going to close it down. We are going to fold this point a little bit, just beyond the width of our finger, about here. And we leave it like that for the moment. Then we are going to bring this point to this intersection. Along this edge, we are going to make a soft mountain fold. Both sides. Turn it over. And we are going to bring this corner beyond this intersection, about halfway between this point and the top, about here. Now we are going to bring this edge over to match the center. Repeat here. And this tip is going to come over that edge to the front. We open and we can leave this point down. Now we are going to bring this edge to match this fold, and this edge to match this. We open, place our hand here, insert the finger, our index finger, on this side, and we are going to swing the paper over to the left and flatten along this edge so that it matches with the one underneath. Open here and repeat. We have this flap here, we hold it and pull up, and as we do that, we push and make this edge align with the center. All the way up. We have a fold here, which is mounted at the moment. As we flatten this, we are going to make it into a valley. Same here. Now we are going to take these flaps and we wrap this flap over this edge and hide it behind. Same here. Just one layer. Now we have this flap in the back. We are going to swing it up, and we are going to take this flap here and pull it down once and then up again,
reinforcing the horizontal central line.
We are going to rotate, and we are going to create a very small fold here. It's going to be a mountain fold. It divides this angle in a half, it bisects it, and it's going to be a mountain fold. It's not difficult to do because underneath here we have a layer of paper that we can feel, so it's just along that edge that we have there underneath. Same here. And make those mountain folds. We have these two previous folds here. This is valley, valley, and this is a mountain fold. We are going to reinforce them as sash. And now we are going to be folding this as if we are closing the pages of a book. As we close here, with our index fingers, we are going to press to the back, pinch here, and extend the fold that we made previously underneath the head of the rabbit. As we extend that, then we can close this. Make sure that this edge is in the shape of the letter W. Now we are going to fold the ears down along this edge. And we'll come back to them later. We can turn it over, hold it from the head, and we are going to proceed to open the body. We can flatten here at the back, insert our finger, and insert our index finger. Inside there is this folded edge, we're going to flatten it. Underneath here we can see and feel two edges. The fold is going along this and this. We open flat and from above we just press and mark mountain folds. We see this underneath and this above. We have this point folded to the back. We can secure it by folding these corners, just blunting them a little bit.
This locks the bags at the back.
Then for the ears, we're going to hold from the head again, and we need to open them. We locate this packet in the back. We insert our thumb in the back and our index finger in the front and start flattening that folded edge. And we can lightly set this and this as mountain folds. Same here. Locate the packet, insert the thumb, and with the index finger open and press at the base of the ear.
Using a square 8 by 8 inch or 20 by 20 centimeters makes the rabbit perfect to hold an egg of average size. Now we can make many of them and be ready to celebrate Easter. Thank you. This is Leila Torres of origamispirit.com.